Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll fix the error. We couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. Let's get started. First, open the Run command by pressing Windows +R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. In the list, find Windows Biometric Service, right-click it, go to Properties, set the startup type to Automatic, then restart the service. Next, open Device Manager. Expand Biometric Devices. Right-click your fingerprint sensor and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers to let Windows install the latest version. If biometric devices don't appear at all, go to C Drive, Windows, System 32, WinBio Plugins, Face Driver. Right-click HelloFace.inf and choose Install. And there you have it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.